There, that's for the thumbnail. So anyways, this is the Radiomaster Zorro, and I'm going to show you a little tip that I found through racing. And yeah, I was starting to race. I realized that as I'm like pushing the throttle, because the sticks are longer, like it's harder for the thumb to kind of like get all the way over there. So what I did something pretty ghetto fabulous. I took the tips off of these sticks so that I could make the sticks actually shorter. And then what I did was I took a piece of shrink wrap for each side. I pulled these whole things off, and then I stuck the shrink wrap in, and then I just screwed the screws back in to the point where they get to the nut, so it's like flat. Mama, you're making so much noise. Okay, so it screws in to the point where the nut's about to stick out, or the screw or bolt or whatever is about to stick out. And then once it's at that point, I shrunk the shrink wrap, and now that's nice and tight. And what it ends up doing is it makes both of your sticks just a little bit shorter. And I found from doing that, I'm getting much better throttle control with the shorter stick. And then at first I just did the throttle stick and I left this one longer, but then I decided to make them both the same, and I'm actually really happy with this. So it's something super simple that you could do, and I feel like it just gives you a little bit more control, because when the stick's longer, it's like there's more like wobble room, or you have like more leverage in a weird way. But when it's tighter, just everything feels a little bit nicer, and it's basically like ghetto fabulous free stick gummies in a weird way. Eventually I'm gonna 3D print some gummies that will kind of do the same thing, but I don't know, I just was pretty happy with that and thought I might share it with you, and maybe you can try it out, no harm, and you might like it. For more wonderful tips and SPV related content, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps. And if you want to support me, feel free to join the Patreon.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!